Joel. Now I am going to do the demo of how you can create the path rule. So, path rule we are drawing with the pen tool. So here there is, you can see P, you can see pen tool. Around six tools are here. One is pen tool, free form pen tool, then curvature pen tool, then add anchor point, delete anchor point, convert anchor point. Okay, these are the mainly pen tools. Then in selection, you can able to select the anchor point with the direct selection tool and path tool with path selection. So now I am going to do with how to create a path. Okay, I clicked earlier after. So I want to create a path like leaf. Okay, I can do this. You can create like this. Then in palette, this is a path palette. You can save this also. Okay, this is a one way. And here it's another tool is there. We can see add anchor point. If you want to one more anchor point here, you can just click here. If you want to move this anchor point, then the another one is here selection. Anchor point selection. When you click on it, you see that it is converted as a white dots. Then you can move. If I moved here, this is you, and I have clicked one more anchor point here. Then use the selection tool, I moved again this. So you think that I don't want this anchor point. So there is a tool in pen tool, there is a delete anchor point. And you can convert this as selection. So how can you convert this as a selection? Select, make selection. Okay, this will convert as selection. You can do whatever you want on the selection as normal selection. So I'm another radio, add another layer, then all delete. You can add it on that. Control D, deselect. Okay. So again I am back to this tool. I am control D again path I am seeing. So in the path tool I am seeing stroke the path. So here you can choose pencil, eraser, everything you can use. I am using brush. Then I am saying, so this is how you can convert this as a path. And path tool is mainly using the selection, saving the selection, something, some create some object also you can create. I'll show you one. I'm deleting this path. This is already on a background layer I created. So if you want to draw a house, you can do that with the pen tool. So I'm just drawing. So control rulers I'm taking. You can easily draw. You can see I'm saying the first pen tool. I'm clicking here, clicking almost under selection. You can draw it. And you can, if you want, you can save this path. Then you can select right click. You can stroke the path. And again, you can draw another one. You can easily on the here. So I selected. I'm selecting shift. They'll draw straight lines. And here you can change. You can make it a straighten here. You can use this tool and bring to be here. So this is a selection tool, anchor point. So it will convert as white. Now you can press and now this is a mode. So select. not selected the path selection tool. Now you can move. You can again, you can edit it. You can again this path also you can save it. So this is a way you can save the paths, multiple paths you can save it. Uh, you can add the path here and again you can do it. Then you can go to the selection tool. For the selection tool, I done a mistake now. You see that I click again. The white dot tools come, then you need to move. Only the white dot that allow to move. Otherwise, it won't allow to move. The tool is only to move anchor point that tool. Now you can convert this also to selection. So this is a way you can work on the paths. Easily you can work on the paths and you can create whatever you like it. So I am not drawn completely full-fledged things on this. So you need to understand you can draw any shape. Then another thing is a pen tool. How is a drawing? That one another session I'll show you how to draw the pen tool and how to edit the anchor points. Thank you for watching and keep for check the next demo that I am mainly using how to draw with the pen tool.